Inserting audio or video in your presentation can be a little tricky because sometimes you're not going to have internet, or sometimes things are going to crash, or the speaker won't be plugged in, whatever. Things can happen. However, there are times where it sort of makes sense. One of my summer terms in college, I had a marketing class, and the professor, instead of recording the whole lecture himself, he made the slides and he inserted audio bits of him speaking. So sometimes it could be useful, it's just not every situation. But here's how you can insert audio or video on PowerPoint. This is how you add an audio, a sound, or video to your presentations, and also how you record it, okay? Let's take a look at first the video portion. You're gonna notice that we actually added the whole reflection, round border, so it looks a lot nicer. This is how a video would look like. You can come here and you can click on it. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Alright, so you saw the video, that's how it works, and this is a sound now. Look. This is a sound. And you could actually attach it somewhere here. Now let me show you how you put those things here. Let's work with the video first. The first thing you're gonna do is go to Insert, then you're gonna go into Video over here, and Video from my PC. If you want an online video, go for it, but it's probably to have it on your PC as well, because then people are gonna be able to download it. Obviously, when you insert a video into your presentation, it's actually gonna add to the size of your presentation, so you may end up with a larger file, but that's alright. Now, after you add the video, you're basically just gonna go through the steps again of rounding the borders, but you can also, so I double clicked on it, and you can come here on playback. You can work with trimming the video, which is what I did for this one. It was actually a lot longer. So you can trim where it comes in and where it comes out. You can adjust the volume. You can go fade in, fade out. You can choose when it's going to be played, if it's automatically. I decided when it clicked on because I don't want it to play in the background, because perhaps I'm going to be talking about something else and I haven't gotten to the video yet. So when it clicked on is usually a good call. But something also really cool that you can do is you can double click the video, come on Format, and you can change the poster frame. So in other words, you can have an image from a different file, which is exactly what I did when you saw Anna in her picture. In the other one, it was actually a video just like this one, but I wanted to show you something else. So I got a frame from a different video and I just added. So you just choose the image and you work it out over here, okay? Also, don't forget, you can work with the video shape, format, effects, just like the images. It works the same way, you see? You can do tons of different things and find something that you actually like here. All right, now, talking about audio, you can do two things. Go on Insert, Audio over here, and you can go Audio on my PC, which is what I did. So I recorded this audio outside in a program, and then I brought it here. Or you could just record the audio. You're gonna hit this button, and once you're done speaking, you're gonna end it and you're gonna add. All right, so it would gonna be right here. You can increase or decrease. You can do the same thing that we did with the video in terms of adding fade in, fade out, trim audio, when does it start, if it's when clicked on, all sorts of things, okay? Now you may be asking, when would I ever use that? Well, you can use that when you're presenting online or when you have to send this presentation, just like my marketing professor did. And sometimes you can use it to play with the presentation. So, in other words, if this video were to be a question, so let's say I only have this video over here, so let me delete this, and I have this video, and it's playing in the middle, and I decided I was going to record a question. So let's say I ask myself, hey Luis, what about this concept? Okay, so I play this video in the presentation, and then me, myself, personally, answer to the video while I present. Okay, that's just another way, another nuance that you could add to your presentations to make it stand out. All right, let me bring this back. And that's how you do audio and video in your presentations. Now again, don't forget, now that you know how to do this stuff, showing video or audio in your presentation
can be a problem. Not sometimes. At some point in your life, things won't work. It will crash. I'm sorry. It's gonna happen. So if you can avoid those, avoid them.